Welcome back. Nancy Pelosi just set everybody on fire with her new stock pick, Tempest AI. Okay, so it just ripped the market last couple of days. 41%, we can see right here how it ripped up AI. And we know that Trump said AI as well. So this seems like a thing for 2025. So 2024, we had AI, NVIDIA and everything, and we're still going to carry this on to 2025. Currently, the stock is outperforming at a 9, so that's great. Who doesn't like to see that? All right, who does not like to see that? There's some more information for you right there. Analysts saying moderate buy. Bloggers are bullish. Hedge fund increase. Insiders, yeah, they made some money. They sold shares. Okay, very positive from the crowd. So in this video, we're going to get into the stock and we're going to see what's going on. I mean, because, people are buying. Look down here. Kathy Woods of ARK Invest bought, 186.5K shares of Tempest AI, okay, 5 days ago. So something's going on with this. What do they have? All right, we're going to look into that. We're going to look at the chart. We're going to look at the technical analysis, okay? Before we move on to the chart and everything, this is the analyst saying moderate buys, just 9 ratings right there. And this is the 12-month forecast that they have right there. So you could just see some more data. This data is brought to us by Tip Ranks. I just want to shout them out real quick. So this is the charts we're looking at right there. Okay, so what does this mean? They have this app called Olivia. Olivia consolidates patients' health records from over 1,000 healthcare systems and digital health devices into a single AI-driven platform, giving users an interactive timeline, summaries, and instant insight. So I'm assuming that you know how there's different healthcare systems. Let's just call one healthcare system B, and then later next week you go to healthcare system C. How can they share the data? So maybe it's going to just share it among, they'll be able to pick it up from both systems. So you don't have to try to explain to the doctor. The cardiologist over there said to the neurologist who spoke later to the oncologist about, it's a lot. It's a lot for a patient to try to say all this data and say it correctly. So if they can get all this data in one thing, a doctor can access it from any platform, that's going to be great from all these different healthcare systems. All right, to have all this integrated. So this is what it seems like they're talking about. Anyway, we're going to get into the stock and what is the technical analysis showing us. When we pull up the chart here, it doesn't look like nothing much, not so spectacular or anything. It's like, okay, all right. But then here we go. We have some support. We have some support here. Okay, this bounce down here. There was a sell-off. Maybe this is when people, look, it went up high. They knew, the people inside knew already, like, oh God, this is going to be great when people find out about Pelosi and all this stuff. We have something good. So maybe insider selling, some more selling. But we caught some support here. This was support down here before in the past. So now support. And then here we go, the pop up when the public gets wind of this and everything. This is on the daily time frame. So we're above the moving averages here of this, the green and the purple line. So that's great. We're trading higher. So now how high can we go? How much can we make if we go back to all-time highs here recently, right? Let's look at that. From where we're at, we have 53%. All right, see that right in there? 53% that we can make from where we're at now, trading at $50 all the way back up here to like practically $80. 53, 54%. That's nice change. How long will it take us to get up there? Because now remember what I was saying before about Olivia, how the app is going to work. No one told me how the app is going to work. I'm assuming how different hospital systems, how they'll connect them together and stuff. I don't know. God help me if I was wrong about that. I'm just trying. But that will be really, really great. So how long will it take? I don't know. For you to make this 54%. Because we popped a lot here. Are we going to just keep running? Because sometimes once the news comes out and everything like that, it could start consolidating and everything. It may take time. It may take a while for it to run up. Not sure. Not sure at all. But the percentage is good to know. Reason why I'm talking about it, as you see, I just popped this on the chart. The risk to reward ratio, we're above a 3. We want the risk to reward ratio to be above a 3. Okay, so I'm saying if you bought in now, for the people who want this right now, if you bought in now, where it's trading at $50 and change, right? And you had a stop loss down here, all the way down here at 42, but you wanted to cash out up here, your risk to reward is a 3. You always want to be above a 3. So that's where I'm saying it makes sense in that perspective. Okay, if you're trying to hold at least to here. And then, even further. So I just wanted to bring this to you. This is Tempest AI. We don't know what's going to happen, how long it'll take. Maybe it's going to just keep driving harder as the news goes around to more and more people and everything. Maybe it's going to surge and it's going to happen fast. We don't know. Next earnings report, look over here on the side, 35 days, next earnings report. Okay, so if you like information like this, just click like and subscribe because it helps the channel to grow. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.